the standards that we're following are really more for process, not for the software testing itself. I think if we split that up, as it should be, then you'll find that, okay, this is a good practice for this type of company, this type of software. I really believe you do have to separate what kind of software you're testing, or what kind of company you are, or what kind of industry you're in. So if you're in regulated environments, insurance, for example, versus banking versus medical, there are a set of standards of process that is followed, but not necessarily for software testing or for development. Yes, there are things you want to do, but like, okay, we're going to use this this application. I'm sorry, this code, this type of language, to create the product. Well, that's really a process, not necessarily the actual act. You're not saying, okay, in this line you're going to do this, and this line you're going to do this, and this line. You don't code that way. So it's really more about the process standards, and that's the way I think of it. And it works well in the when a company wants to go agile, even in a health industry. So you can do agile development and agile testing if you're in that industry. It's just you have to know how to apply it, and that gets real tricky.